How to switch cellular data between two SIM cards on iPhone. You have a data in SIM 1, which is your primary SIM, or on the secondary SIM on your iPhone, and you want to use that data, but you are on the one, you have to switch from one line to the other. Go to the settings button, guys, and tap on it. Then go to the cellular again, tap on it. Once tap on it, go to cellular data, tap on it. Here you can see that the data is on my primary line. So if you want to switch now, go ahead and tap on this secondary button. It means you have switched the data from your primary line to the secondary line. So if you go to your network swipe line like this, guys, you're going to see that it has indicated that you are switching from primary data here to the secondary line. You can see it here now. If you see that, you see that I'm on secondary data now, secondary line now. Let me go to do that and see that if it goes to my primary line, tap on primary, then close this page, swipe down again, and go to this place and see that it has come up to the primary cellular data. So this is the simple process, guys, on how to switch your data from your primary line to secondary line if you use two SIMs on your iPhone. If you enjoyed this tip and have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.